Early Christmas present for the wife. Excuse me, I'm still a little sick. This is the difference between a stock Mustang turn signal and the American Muscle sequential plug-in kit. It's pretty cool. AmericanMuscle.com. It's the wife's Christmas present. It's Christmas Eve, 8 in the morning. I'm trying to get installed before she gets up. It's a 2008 V6 Mustang. I don't want her killing herself, so there you go. Alright, kind of hard to tell, but that's what it looks like complete now. With the sun. It looks pretty cool. Freaking hater. I'm not video recording, you shut up.